So here's how to add welcome chat to your Wix website. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Wix account, and after that you have to simply go to your Wix dashboard. Once you are there, now here you have to scroll down and go to the apps option. Once you click on the apps option, now this pop-up menu will appear. From here you have to click on the app market option at the top of it. Once you click on the app market option, now it will take you to this page. Then here at this page you have to click on the explore the market option. Once you click on this option, now it will take you to the Wix app market. Now here in the search bar you have to simply search for the welcome chat option. Now from the given apps you can install any of this app onto your Wix site. To install this app, you have to simply click on the app. After that, at this page, you have to click on the add to site option. Once you click on it, now it will take you to this page. Now here at this page, you have to click on the agree and add. After that, it will be successfully added to your Wix site. So that's how to add welcome chat to your Wix website and store.